Hi, Anna.
Hello, Ben.
Anna, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you, Ben?
I'm good, thank you. Where are you going?
I am going to buy some vegetables.
That sounds good. What type of vegetable you are going to buy?
I am going to buy tomatoes, potatoes, broccoli, ladyfinger, capsicum, carrot.
That is great. Which vegetable is your favorite?
My favorite vegetable is broccoli. What is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is broccoli, cabbage. Okay. Have you completed your homework, Anna?
Yes, I have completed my homework, Ben. Have you completed the homework?
No, I have not completed my homework yet, Anna.
When will you complete your homework? Tomorrow is the last date to submit the homework to teacher.
Yes, Anna, you are right. Right now, I am going to finish my homework and submit it tomorrow.
Okay, great.
Oh, okay. Have fun. See you later.
Bye. See you tomorrow at school.
Bye.
Bye. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.
Yes, thank you for watching. We hope this was helpful.